Good afternoon. Welcome to Pro News 114. Today, my partner Zaira and I are located at Ninja Ceres Park to transmit to your home the most recent events of the world.
That's right. Also, we invite all the kids to send possible solutions to stop melting of polar ice in Mexico with a little actions.
So, here we have our reporter Abelardo, who's gonna talk about the culture of China and the way global warming increased her industry on this country.
They warned that earthquakes could contribute to global warming. Earthquakes could contribute to global warming through the release of greenhouse gases surface ascents, according to a study published on Monday, July 29, 2013 in Nature Geoscience. The author of this study from the University of Bremen gave found that a major earthquake with a magnitude of 8.1 occurred in 1945, released more than 7 million cubic meters of methane on the Arabian Sea. This discovery reveals a natural source of emission of greenhouse gases that has not been considered, says the British magazine. The effect of methane on the environment is 20 times more potent than carbon dioxide, while the first gas is less abundant in the atmosphere. According to scientists, there are huge amounts of methane stored in structures called hydrates frozen in the subsoil of the continental shelves surrounding land masses on Earth.
Thanks, Abelardo. By the way, we hope that this problem stops.
Now, a little report by Lizeth Gonzalez.
Good afternoon. Today is the 68th anniversary that filled the atomic bomb in Hiroshima, sent by USA. The atomic bomb was created based on the findings of Albert Einstein, but he didn't have the intention that has the type of use. The chemistry involved in this was a ball of uranium. The uranium has an explosive power much greater than the TNT. Studies of chemistry influence in war. This is a clear example of how involved, as well as many other, the use of toxic substances, gases, neurotics, or the spice, dust, etc.
Thanks, but we know that Einstein won't create nuclear bombs with this use.
Now, here we have our reporter Mauricio, who's gonna talk us about a new advance in the food.
Good afternoon. In Northern Ireland, the Good Safety for Food informed that more than 70% of the processed foods contain generic modification. In the USA, the research of information on the generic engineer informs that the corn is modified with the advent of chemistry. The question is, how the chemistry helps the society? The chemistry helps the society with the modification of corn in the modification of corn that more size and taste, and also helps with the processed foods. This is all, and have a nice day.
Thanks, Mauricio. It's time to go with our friend Noemi, who's gonna show us something. Let's see.
Good afternoon. I am Naomi and transmit from the University City. By my side is Zaira. Hi Zaira. First, let's start with the drugs, the ones that are so essential to all of the life in better conditions.
Yes, the chemistry has been commissioned to make drugs to life better. like antibiotics, and also painkillers, anti-inflammatories, antidepressants, and other, like without chemistry, will not be possible.
Very true, and also vaccines strong chemical inactivation of toxins can create antibodies and guard the disease. Well, now, you can tell me what materials are used, such as gloves, blood bags, containers, syringes, and others.
Well, that all depends on much of the chemistry. To produce material, they are made of plastics, which are long hydrocarbon chains chemically bonded.
Yes, and also in the medical field, take into account the sterility, isn't it? Clinics and hospitals should be hygienic to avoid contracting other diseases.
Septics and disinfectants are chemically that kill or inactive pathogenic microorganisms.
Yeah, and then as well the surgeries without the famous anesthesia.
Ouch! Surgery will not be extremely painful, and in fact before there was anesthesia surgery, many people were dying of pain. But thanks to the chemistry of anesthesia is not painful.
Yeah.
Well, your materials can be of metal or ceramic. Today the polymer most advanced and user of joints, arterial limbs such as legs, hands or arms, valves and pacemakers for the heart, arteries and veins, lenses, corneal prostheses, implants and hearing, and even aesthetic nose, aesthetic of breasts.
But definitely, without chemistry will not be possible any of this, and you can tell that medicine depends entirely on chemistry. Well, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much, Zaira, for being with us today.
So finally, we have the best three proposed by the kids. The first place, it's Alejandro. He says, I think if every child of the world stops playing video games every day, can spend this time in something best. It's all for today. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
At the present, there are many problems related to chemistry. Between them, we have the global warming, the melting of the polar ice, the greenhouse effect, the bombs, etc. Not only we have bad things, some positive points might be the advances of the technology and the medicine. Without the chemistry in the medicine, we have very low life expectancy and few resistance to the diseases. So it's necessary to use the chemistry of the best way. Thanks.
Good afternoon. Good
afternoon. I am Noemi and
Good afternoon. Mónica.
Lo siento.
Welcome to Free News. Es que ¿por qué se me traba la lengua? Welcome to...
Pero bueno, también hay que considerar la madurez de personas, ¿no? Por ejemplo, aquí tenemos un niño como 10 años. Así que técnicamente son mayores que él.
Fell so gently into your eyes.
At Minisaurus Park, to transmitting to your house.
To your home.
Minisaurus.
Nervous.
Otra vez.
Sí.
by my side is Zaira.
¿Así, ok?
No.
What's up? Ya.